Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a clear image and resizing it to a workable pixel grid, like 64 x 64, because scale controls detail. Next, collect blocks that match colors. Wool, concrete, and terracotta work best for consistent tones. Once done, set an origin point and mark the X and Y axes with a single guiding frame. This prevents drift. Make sure to build minimal scaffolding so you can reach all rows. Begin plotting the first row immediately. Don't overplan, just place. You now convert pixels to blocks methodically. Treat each pixel as one block and work row by row to avoid mistakes. Use color substitution rules when exact dyes are unavailable. Choose blocks that preserve relative brightness and contrast rather than exact hue. Once a band of 8 to 16 rows is placed, step back and view from distance to catch tonal errors. This is crucial because Minecraft lighting changes perceived color. As you proceed, correct edges and keep scaffolding mobile, so you finish by trimming stray blocks and unifying the silhouette so the picture reads clearly at distance. Then convert built sections into in-game maps, craft maps, explore while holding them, and place finished maps in item frames to assemble a wall mosaic. Make sure to align frames precisely for seamless seams. If a color looks off after framing, tweak nearby block values or alter lighting rather than rebuilding entire areas. This targeted fix saves time and preserves work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.